Hey everybody, this is Joe from That Pumpkin Diesel. I want to give a huge shout out to the Rag Company for allowing me to come out to your guys' facility today to pick up my Grambassador package. Great group of guys. Can't recommend that company enough. Just a bunch of all-around stand-up guys. Spent 3 hours out there today, talking cars, talking just about everything. But I do want to go through my Grambassador package, just show you guys a little bit what I got. First off, got a Rag Company banner that I will hang up. Cooch Chemi Magic Wheel Cleaner. I heard this stuff is phenomenal. Haven't used it yet, so I'm looking forward to giving this one a shot. So, and of course, Bead Maker. If you haven't heard about Bead Maker, this is phenomenal paint sealant. Just the water beading with this product is phenomenal. I can't wait to use this on a pumpkin. A premium large detail brush. So I'll probably use this for a lot of the interior cleaning that I'm using, getting the dust out of the fine places like the vents. This is really cool. So this is a smart sample kit from G-Technique. So this is something I could take on the road with me. It's got liquid crystal, perfect glass, quick detailer, a smart fabric, tri-clean, water spot removal, iron and general fallout remover, citrus all-purpose cleaner, a citrus foam, and G-Wash. Pretty awesome kit. I will be using that as well. Now I heard this also is a brand new to market. Professional use only. It is solution finish over the top plastic sealer. So this will go for all my plastic trims. And I've never used this before, so I'm looking forward to putting this on my plastic trim. And of course, what would a package be without rags to riches? Now, this is the best way to keep your microfiber towels performing its best, is with a premium detergent like this. So I was getting ready to purchase this, but I held off because I was hoping this was going to come in my package, and it did, so that's pretty awesome. So these are a bunch of, oh, I got some black ones in there. So I got 4 red premium towels. These are just various towels. These are edgeless, black, very, very, very soft. I'll probably use these for a quick detailer or bead maker. More edgeless. These might be, I'm not sure exactly which ones these ones are, but these are edgeless, real soft towels as well. So this would probably be more for polish, paint, quick detailer spray or bead maker, something like that. That's probably how I'll use these. This is one of their premium drying towels. So this looks to be one of their larger drying towels, which is pretty awesome because all of my drying towels are really old and I needed to replace them. So I actually, while I was at the Rag Company today, I did purchase a set of more drying towels, so adding a large one is awesome. And a couple of these small purple microfibers. Not sure what I'll use these for since these are so small. Maybe for my leather. I'm not sure yet. And awesome, another premium wash mitt. I have a couple of them, but they're all fairly old, so it's nice to recycle those and get something new. And what I was hoping for was to get one of these. This is an IK Multi Pro 2. This is just a spray, so this isn't going to foam, but this will be good for when I'm using bead maker, or even if I want to use this for my wheels, putting this wheel cleaner in there. So this will come in handy. And I actually purchased the foam one as well. So while I was there, I picked up the foam one, so I have both of them. So here's special Grambassador decal. I'm actually gonna, you guys know me, I'm pretty stickler about putting decals or anything on my vehicle, but I do want to stick this. This is going to go right here on the back of the tailgate table, and this is going to be the first one that I put on, so it's pretty special. All right, let's get to the last one. So this one I know is going to be filled with a lot of multi-purpose, different colored microfiber towels. So here I got a package of yellow. I got a whole set of red ones. Set of blue ones, black, and there's one more in here, green. We got a whole lot of towels here. Be on the lookout because I will be doing a giveaway, giving a bunch of these towels away. So yeah. Awesome. Again, thank you to the Rag Company for selecting me to be one of your Grambassadors. This is more than I expected, and I will definitely be using it and putting it to good work. Thanks.